So if we look at the changing scenario of global business, we are talking about how globalization has changed the way businesses are done globally. So let us discuss this aspect of the global business. So what is the relationship of the way business is done today and globalization? We have to understand that the world we are living in is highly interconnected, both in social terms as well as in terms of economics and business. And large companies, giant companies, large multinational organizations have used globalization, this modern globalization, to their advantage. So that is the result of the capitalist thinking, the thinking that individuals make profits and this profit will trickle down to others. So that thinking, which was started by Adam Smith, is still very much prevalent in the current globalization. The world is driven by capitalist ideas. There is no return from that. So these large multinational organizations have used this modern globalization to their advantage, maximum advantage. So it is not the question that the goods are being manufactured using automated methods in certain countries, in very large factories on a mass scale, and is being distributed all over the world. So today's business is not just about it. Today's business is also the transfer of ideas, transfer of technology, transfer of patents, transfer of services, investments, and the transfer of ideas and services and investments are becoming actually more important than today, than the distribution of mass produced manufactured goods all over the world. So the importance of this transfer of ideas and technology and services and investment is something which is the focus of today's business, and it is the result of this globalization only, the kind of globalization we are living in. One reason for this is that the transfer of ideas, services, and investments is something where the focus of the developed world is. When we say the developed world, we are talking of the traditional rich countries like America, North America, Western countries, many Western countries, and Japan, and some newly industrialized countries also. So these developed countries have their focus on the transfer of these ideas, services, investment rather than on manufacturing of the goods. So that is the reason, one of the reasons that most of the manufacturing of the goods has been transferred to countries like China, Vietnam, Cambodia, India, and many countries in ASEAN region. So the result is that the focus still remains of the developing countries towards improving their manufacturing sector. Although they are doing their best to improve on the services, investments, and they are also doing R&D, research and developments, in big ways. So the idea is that these developing countries want to become developed. And in order to become developed, when they see this kind of globalization, they understand that they have to focus on the concepts, ideas, technology, services, and even investments. So this is the business of today. This is the business of the present modern globalization. This is the type of business we are embracing. This is this is the real face of the business today.